Hi everybody, welcome to today's workout. For today we have a low impact interval workout. So it's a LIIT workout, low impact interval training. It's going to be great for your entire body, but we're not going to be jumping around like crazy. There will be some up and down from the mat. I have my interval timer set for 16 rounds, 10 seconds of rest, 50 seconds max repetitions. So push yourself as hard as you can during each repetition and you will get in a fantastic workout. For those of you that missed the announcement on my Instagram page, I'm pregnant. I'm in my first trimester. I have no limitations on my exercise currently. The only thing I can't do is let my body get overheated. So I will be pacing myself, not going full out for max repetitions, but that doesn't mean you can't. Okay, and there will be a couple of exercises that if you want to make it higher intensity, for example on lunges, if you want to substitute lunge jumps, be my guest. And let's see, anything else? In and out squats, if you want to substitute squat jumps, you can do that just to make it, amp it up a little bit if you're looking for a little more today. Okay guys, without further ado, are you ready for today's workout? Let's get started. Okay, we have 10 seconds. Once that starts, we'll still have 10 seconds of prep time. Our first exercise is going to be a toe touch push-up. So we have 10 seconds of prep. I'm going to show you the move. So it's going to be feet a little bit wide, push up, lift to a down dog, tap one toe, tap the other toe. Repeat. Now it's time to get started. Max reps, guys. Good job. Keep going. You can do this. Five seconds, push through. Okay, next we're going to have lunge steps, so just alternating lunges, or you can do lunge jumps. Jump is going to be like that. Step is going to be like this. Step it back. Alternating sides. Doing great, guys. Keep moving. Ooh. Almost there. Okay, next we're going to have angel abs. So balance on your butt. If you need help, you can keep your arms down to make it easier. Legs drop out, lift, stretch, bringing them in toward your chest. Make it harder, add the balance. Hands stay still. Think of Charlie's Angels. And legs are forming like a U or a V under your arms. Arms are staying as still as you can. Control comes from the core. Pull those knees in toward your chest. Good job, guys. Keep going. Three seconds. Doing great. Next we have in and out squats. Substitution for higher impact is jump squats. But I'm going to start legs together. Squat, one side. Squat, other side. Squat. Butt reaches back like there's an imaginary chair that you're going to sit in. Or tap your butt on at least. Breathe. Good job. Almost there, guys. 3 seconds. Okay, next we have oblique lower leg tap. You could do this on forearm or extended arm, your preference. Leg stagger, bottom leg is out in front, core stays strong. Tap it forward, bring it back in. Tap, in. Controlled motion, you will feel all of these muscles working. Good job. Keep going. Good job. Same thing, other side. Whew. Here we go. Bottom leg forward. Belly in. Tap. Good job, guys. Keep going. Use those core muscles. Five seconds. Good job. Next, we're going to kneel. We're going to do a kickback. All one side. Core is strong throughout the movement, lifting through the back of the body. I like to hold that squeeze for just a second to make sure I'm activating the glutes, back of the leg, the upper glute. Good job, guys. Ten seconds. Same thing, other side is next. Shake out your arms if you need to. Here we go, other side. Core strong. Hold that squeeze. Doing great. Five seconds. Good job. We're coming back to standing. We're going to do a forward, backward lunge, all one side. So similar to the lunge that we did earlier, but we're going to step back first. So reverse lunge, come high through it, big step forward, forward lunge. Repeat, all one side. Almost there, 3 seconds. Good job, same thing, other side. Here we go. Doing great, guys. Keep moving. Ten seconds. Okay, we're down on the mat for the next one. We're going to do leg hip lift. So lay back. It's up to you if you want to. You can keep your head down, hands under your butt. You're going to lift, hip lift. Lift, hip lift. If you want to add some upper abs into it, keep the shoulders elevated slightly. Same thing, don't use momentum. Use your core for that hip lift. Okay, good job, guys. Next we have temple tap abs. So we're staying down here for the next few exercises. Belly's gonna pull in, shoulder blades lift. Easy version, heels stay down. Ready to make it harder, legs extend. The closer your heels are to the ground, the more challenging it is. So if it gets to be too much, you can lift the legs at any point during the exercise. Doing great, guys. Ooh. Almost there, guys. Keep going. Ooh. Okay, next we have leg circles. So it's going to be all one side, then the other. Again, you can choose to keep your head down, hands under your butt if you have pain in the low back during core movements, or keep the arms extended. Legs are going to stagger. Top leg is going to circle. And change directions of your circle. Good job. Other way. Switch directions. And reverse. We're getting there, guys. I can't see the timer, but I know we're getting there. 10 seconds. Almost there. Whew. Same thing, other side is next. That's one of those surprise burn moves. Okay, other side. Switch. Reverse. I'm gonna put my hands under. I feel it on this side. There we go. Reverse. And reverse. Getting there, guys. Okay, now we are down to prone heel press. So we get to lay on our bellies for this one. Elbows below shoulders, knees are gonna bend, heels are gonna press up to the ceiling. So lift the thighs as far away from the mat as you can. It's gonna be a small movement, but you should feel the glutes and the back of the thighs really working on this one. Good job, guys. Only one exercise left after this one. Okay, finally, seated rotation. We're gonna sit really tall with our back straight, legs in front of us, and we're going to twist. So one hand's gonna reach toward your toes, other hand's gonna reach behind you, and then switch. It's fine if you can't reach your toes, you'll just hold your arms like this, and just focus on getting that twist from the core. Good job, guys. Doing great. Ten seconds. Good job. Okay, guys. This is gonna keep beeping again in a minute. Okay, there we go. Fantastic job. 16 minutes, really good workout. I worked up a sweat. Hopefully you did too. For those of you worried about my core temperature, I'm still well below the limit, so don't worry about that. It's totally great to work up a sweat during pregnancy and actually encouraged and recommended, unless otherwise stated by your doctor. You should always listen to your doctor before anybody else. You can repeat this workout up to 3 times, and as always, the photo tutorial, full breakdown, everything you need to do this workout will be on my website, free, benderfitness.com. So I hope to see you guys there. I hope you enjoyed the workout. Have a great day.